Hi guys, welcome to Kilowatt Auto. My name is Dan, and in today's video, I want to talk about do-it-yourself ceramic coating. So if you're new to this channel, I typically share the ownership experience of a Tesla Model 3, and today I want to talk about ceramic coating and the research that I've done into this process and sort of the conclusions that I've come up with in terms of the best do-it-yourself ceramic coating product. So when I first took delivery of a Model 3, I looked into having a ceramic coating professionally applied, as well as different techniques such as a paint protection film and other protective features that could be added to the car just to add an extra layer of protection to the paint. And what I ended up coming up with was a product by the name of Hydrosilex Recharge. So this product is a ceramic coating. It's a do-it-yourself one, so you can apply this at home. And when you're looking at just the straight numbers, this retails for about $35 on Amazon, whereas a professionally done ceramic coating is going to cost anywhere from $500 all the way up to potentially $2,000. So definitely a significant price savings here. There are some differences though between this version of ceramic coating and then a professional level ceramic coating. So just for starters, this ceramic coating through Hydrosilex Recharge is going to last significantly less than a professionally done ceramic coating, but the cost savings alone on this and the ease of application compared to a traditional ceramic coating is really why I ended up going with this product. So in today's video, I want to walk you through the steps of applying a ceramic coating, and really it's all about preparation. So the preparatory steps at the beginning are critical because the ceramic coating is going to seal in any dirt and imperfections that are left on the car after application. So I'm going to walk you through the main steps of applying this coating, and I'll give you my tips along the way, but that's going to lead me right into step number one, which is a thorough car wash. So the first step is just to get your car washed, and just one key thing to remember is that you just want to do a basic wash. So just soap and water, no liquid wax, no paint protection chemicals, and you just have to be careful if you're going to like an automated car wash. A lot of times they have extra products that they add in there during the wash cycle, so it's best to do the wash yourself or go to a center where you can select what chemicals or what soaps you want to use basically. So for today, we're just going to do a straight soap and water wash, rinse, and that's going to bring us on to step two. So step number two is going to be the clay bar. And this step is really important because it's going to strip away any contaminants that could be lightly embedded in the paint of your car. I'm definitely biased. I've used Mother's products throughout the entirety of owning cars. So again, not a sponsor of the video, but I definitely recommend using the Mother's Clay Bar Kit. This particular kit comes with 2 clay bars. It comes with the lubricant that you'll need to use the clay bars, and then it also comes with a microfiber towel. So what this is doing basically is it's gonna pull off any contaminants, so grease, road debris. It's going to pull this out of the top coat of your paint and really prep the surface well for that ceramic coat that we're going to be putting on top of it. So a couple things to remember with this product is that when you're applying it, you want to work in small sections. So about 2x2 section of the body panel, you're going to spray down the detailer first, and then you're going to move the clay bar across the lubricated area, and that's going to pull any contaminants out of the clear coat. Another thing to remember as well is as the clay bar gets dirty, you want to make sure that you're folding it over. So all you have to do when you start to see debris collecting in the clay, you just fold it over and press it flat and then move on to your next section. And again, this step is super critical. I spend a lot of time behind the front and rear wheels where you see all kinds of dirt and debris that get kicked up off the road on sort of the lower panels. So I spend a lot of time there with the clay bar because you really want to get as much of that dirt and debris off the body as possible, because you're going to be putting the Hydrosilex over that and it's going to essentially seal that in. So step number 3 is going to be the degreasing step. And the particular product that I use is Q2M Prep. And this is actually a product that was recommended by C Quartz, which is a professional level ceramic coating. And really, all this is doing is removing any oil and any other grease products that could still be on the car from the washing and the clay bar steps. So it's really important that you put this on any surface that you're going to be applying the ceramic coating to. So for the clay bar, I was just doing that on the body panels, but I do apply this degreaser basically to the entire surface of the car. So because I'm going to apply the ceramic coating to the windows and the roof, I also apply the degreaser to all the body panels, the entire glass roof, windshield, and windows. And that's going to ensure that any grease or oil that's still stuck to the surface of the car is going to be removed. And once this step is done, that's the end of the preparatory phase, so we can move right into applying ceramic coating. So the final step is to actually apply the ceramic coating. So again, you want to make sure you're working in small sections. So you'll spray the Hydrosilex onto about a 2x2 section. We're again going to be using the 2 towel method. So with your 1 microfiber towel, you'll spread the Hydrosilex evenly, and then with your second microfiber towel, you'll buff it off. And just a couple key things to remember here. You don't want to let the Hydrosilex dry on the surface of your car. So as soon as I apply it, I'm spreading it even, and then I'm buffing it off almost immediately after. And a couple other things to just take note of as well. The Hydrosilex definitely applies better, and I've seen better results when applying it in the shade or in a garage. And you don't want to be applying it in extreme heat because that can sort of interfere with how the solution is drying and then buffing off on the surface of your car. So definitely want to make sure you'd apply it in a garage and you're not letting it dry after you apply it. So again, that quick application of spray onto the surface, wipe evenly, and then buff off. And this whole process maybe took about 2 hours total, and it's definitely something that I'd recommend doing, especially if you want to step up your game from a traditional wax to a ceramic coating. So overall, I've been really impressed with Hydrosilex Recharge. This was the second time that I applied it to my Tesla, and really the ease of application and the cost is really why I recommend this product, especially if you want to do a ceramic coating yourself. And again, preparation is key anytime that you're doing a ceramic coating, and it's especially key for applying the Hydrosilex Recharge. So you want to make sure that you're going through all of those preparatory steps. You're doing a thorough wash, you're doing a clay bar, and then a degrease step. And if you do all of that, you're definitely going to be happy with the results that you get from this product. It's going to last a lot longer than the protection offered by traditional wax, and it's definitely something that I would recommend if you want some type of do-it-yourself ceramic coating. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you found it informative, and if you did, consider subscribing for more Tesla related and car related content in the future. I do put up a new video every weekend, so with that said, I'll see you in the next one.